Good morning, traders. I have just taken a short entry to go short here. Looking for a quick 20 ticks. Let's go take a look at the exit. It's at 90. Tick down to 89. Okay, quick 20 ticks here. Okay, getting ready to place a break-even stop. 52.08 on the break-even stop. 52. Never mind. That was a quick one. That was a quick trade. Okay. Alright, you see, there's nothing like knowing the code, is there? Take a little time, figure out what the code is, take a trade using the code. What did that take? 15, 20 seconds? You see? Look at it popping back up here. That's why I like to go for 20. Because 20 is a high, 20 ticks. Because 20 ticks is a high mathematics, you know? Right here, 20 ticks. Of course, I use 20 as the initial for the stop, but then I adjust it down to whatever I can get away with. Whatever I can, the closest, the tightest I can get it. Usually it's like 10 or 8 or 12 or 15 or something less than 20. So that really helps when you hit 20 tick exits and you only have like a 10 tick, 12 tick stop, and then you get it right 70, 80% of the time. What happens? Well, you make good money. Simple mathematics. So that was my first successful trade. I've still got more to go. I should be able to take, let's see here. Well, I should be able to take at least one more trade, maybe even two. So I'll come back and take them. Okay, I have taken a short position here. This is with a 20 tick stop. $20 built-in stop, 1 trade per day, code 2. I'm going to go take a look at something really quick. I want to calculate something. So I'm going to come right back. But if this does pop up and hit my stop, which is possible that it might do, I know the actual code, so I'll just take a re-entry into it, because it'll give me another entry. I mean, most likely, like 90% of the time it would do so. Give me another re-entry before it were to go. Because it'll come up into the code is what will happen. Instead of going down into the code, it'll come up into the code. And if it did that, then I just take another re-entry up here somewhere and write it back down, just like it did the other day. And otherwise, it'll just keep going, just like it did yesterday. So I will come right back. Okay, it looks like there's a good chance it's just going to go down into the code. So when it does that, there's a good chance it would just hit my exit. So the chances are, the mathematics are increasing a little bit, not a lot, that it will go down now into the code instead of back up. But it could, any second, could just reverse and then go up into the code. So, you know, you're just going to have to wait this one out. But it'll do one or the other. And again, if it goes down enough and it comes back up into the code, it probably wouldn't hit my stop. It might, but I mean, you know, there's a chance that it wouldn't at that point. But if it goes up from here and goes up into the code, it probably would hit my stop. Anyway, I'll come back. It's going to take a while. Okay, it's moving up here on me, and it's doing exactly what I said, moving up into the code, what it might do, and it's doing it. Now, it's just a question of whether or not it will move up to my stop, or whether it will roll over and give a short entry off the next code. It just depends. So what I'm going to do is just wait it out. If it does hit the stop, then I'll take another re-entry again. if it does hit the stop, it's going to do it basically into the code. So I'm just going to have to re-enter, but I won't pull the stop though. I'm just going to let it hit for the 20 ticks right here, and then I'll take another re-entry again and using the code. Okay, I'll come back. It's probably going to hit right here, but I'll come back. As you can see, it hit the stop and it hit it perfectly. Don't think it could have did a better job. I'm going to take another entry using the code. It's going to be a short entry. Be right back. One thing nice about this trade though is I'll be able to go for a fat exit. I'm going to go for 40 ticks on this one. 40 tick trade. Come right back. Okay, I have taken a short position right here at 51.78. Going short for 40 ticks. Let me adjust the limit right now. The limit is at 58. I'm going to take that down to 38. 51.38 on the limit for a 40 tick trade. Code 2. Now let me go calculate something really quick. I'll be right back. I just want to see exactly what I think I can get. Be right back. Okay, I had to step away for a little bit, and now I'm back, and I see that it came and got the stop. The stop was right there at 98, and it came up and got it. It got it by 12 ticks, but at the same time, it also made the code 2 entry to go short null. It made it no good. So basically it was good technically, but only good for a very small amount, which really basically means that it was no good, because it's either 20 or 20, either wins or loses, and it lost. And it lost twice. Normally I don't lose twice on that trade, and I lost twice on it today for 20 ticks. The only reason why I'm not down twice as much is because I was already up that much when I took the trade, the 2 trades. So it was a bad day for the code 2 trade today. It didn't work. So, and look, now it's going down. And it technically broke, so that it made it no good technically. And it's just not a good day today, that's for sure. Oh man. Actually, the code's doing really well though. I could just be following code 1. I didn't have to follow code 2. Code 1 is great. Yeah, code 1 doing great. Anyway, as you can see, not all days can be good, no matter what you do. It'll just mathematically work out in a way that just won't work, and you'll have a bad day. So, I'm all over with today. I'm through. So I'm going to call it a bad day, and I'll be back tomorrow, which is Friday, to do some more trading. Try to end the week well. Okay, traders, happy trading out there. Hope you guys did better than me today. See you tomorrow.